I'm up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. I got a 1972 C10 pickup with a 400 big block in it, and I'm getting ready to take you on a test drive. I'm gonna take this 1972 C10 truck out. I'm gonna do a little test drive. It's a super nice truck with a 400 big block in it. I'm gonna check all the gauges. We're gonna see how it runs and drives down the road. If you haven't already, please check out my walk around description videos. I do walk arounds of every car on the lot, including this one. And also check out my website, MapleMotors.com. Got all of our inventory and 100 detailed pictures of everything. Looks like our RPM gauge is working on here. Oil pressure starting to come up. Truck's got a bit of a cam in it. Aftermarket exhaust, sounds pretty good. Battery gauge is working. It's still cold, so we'll watch this temp gauge and see if it comes up. Looks like all this has been replaced, all the chrome and the dash cluster. There's no radio in this one. Blowing through the vents here, so the blower motor does work. No horn. All right. The steering wheel's not centered up. Going straight down the road, but the steering wheel is definitely not centered up. When we get back to the lot, we'll have to see if we can center that up. Truck seems to be driving pretty good. Speedometer's coming up. It's right at, should be correct too. It's right at 40 miles an hour. Kick down works. Brakes feel pretty good. I'm gonna say that gas gauge does work. It's right at half a tank. I believe we put some gas in it already, so. Temp gauge still hasn't moved. Motor sounds pretty stout. Brakes really good. Wait till the last second. Oh yeah. Stops pretty nice. Yeah, temp gauge has not come up yet. I'm gonna say it does not work. Which if I own this truck, I would definitely put an aftermarket temp gauge down on the bottom of the dash here. Get that working, or replace the one in here. It might just not be hooked up. Could be as simple as that. like this truck right here would do pretty good on the highway as well. Both trucks I drove today have run and drove pretty awesome. Nice and smooth. Almost everything's worked on both of them. They both got plenty of power. Blinker's working there. It's also working there. Both sides lighting up still. Well, I appreciate you watching this video. If you like this, please subscribe. I post videos like this every single day. I've also got a walk around video of this truck. I have it linked to the end of this video so you can check it out. I want you to check out my website. I got 100 detailed pictures of every car on the lot, including this one. That's maple-motors.com. If you want to comment below, I'll try to get back with you. All the music in these videos is created by me. We do all the producing down at my house. If you want to talk to somebody on the phone, please give us a call, 615-822-4444. I appreciate y'all watching, and thanks again, guys.